Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Huawei Mate X3 here. This is the box the phone comes in, and when we'll open it, this is what we see. We're gonna go ahead and set up the phone and go through the first steps together. So this is the phone, this is the surface when it's open, and then we can fold it in half, and this is what it looks like when, well, it's folded in half. It's pretty slim actually, and here we have a pretty fancy camera. So now we'll get started. We can choose our language here. We'll go with English. We can make emergency calls here or set a reading aid, and we'll get started now. Next, we need to select our region. We're in Germany, so we select Germany. And then we'll come to the terms of use. We have the end user software license agreement. Please read the end user software license agreement and basic service statement carefully before using Huawei device. And then we also have the basic service statement. EMUI provides you with a number of basic services that might help ensure that your device works as it should. So you can read more details here, and then accept the term here. I have carefully read and agreed to the above terms. And then we can say next. Now we need to insert a SIM card. We have a separate video for that, so we're gonna skip this part. And then it wants us to connect to a Wi-Fi. You want to do that so you can, I don't know, download apps and stuff. So we'll connect to our Wi-Fi now, and we're connected now, so we can say next. Data and privacy. Huawei is committed to keeping your personal data safe and to doing it in a way that's transparent and totally compliant with the law. This principle is embodied in every step of our design, from initial concept to final product. Alright, we can see more details here. We'll click on next. Now we can set a device protection. We're not gonna do that because we also have a separate video for that. So we're gonna say skip. And now we come to Huawei ID. Your Huawei ID gives you access to all of Huawei's cloud services. Log in or create an account to get exclusive member benefits, offers, and more. So we can say next now, and then we need to log in with our details, or you can create a new Huawei ID if you don't have one. Now we need to verify our identity, so it's gonna send a code to your email address, and then you get a code and you need to put that code in. So now that I put in my code, we come to the next slide. Cloud secure data storage. Automatically back up and encrypt your data for secure storage. Sync photos, contacts, and more for easy access on all your devices. So you can enable and disable these here. Enable later in settings or click on next. I'm gonna say enable later in settings. Skip cloud. Cloud provides secure data storage, manages data from multiple devices, and allows you to switch phones easily. Yes, skip anyway, because we also don't have another phone right now that we need to synchronize things from. Then we have media services. Media services provides you with a range of audio visual entertainment services. Huawei Video gives you access to a huge collection of online video content, including movies, TV series, variety shows, cartoons, and documentaries. Huawei Books offers a vast library of popular ebooks and audiobooks. Huawei Music provides high-quality online music streaming services. You can also watch, read, and listen to local files in the corresponding app. Alright, so you can click on these here and say agree, or you don't and say that you want to do that later. We have Huawei in-app purchases. After adding a payment method, you can use it to make secure payments in App Gallery, Cloud, and Themes. You can add a bank card here or a phone number here. We'll say add later. Now we have the HMS Core. Provides basic services such as Huawei ID, map and location services, as well as security features for apps on your device. These services are updated automatically. Your personal information will be processed in accordance with the statement about HMS Core and privacy. So you can click on it, read through it, and then you can enable or disable these here. And then you can say next. Now we have enhanced services. What a paragraph. Dear customer, EMUI provides a range of enhanced services that help you get the most from your device. Touch the Setup Enhanced Services link to learn more about these services, enable or disable services individually. To provide these enhanced services, EMUI may need to access certain information and permissions on your device, including the phone permission, your IMEI, incoming and outgoing call numbers, network information, and information about how images are used. So you can read through it, can say enable all services, set up enhanced services, or no thanks. I'm gonna say no thanks for now, but you can totally go ahead and choose whatever you like there. Then we have the User Experience Improvement Program. Dear customer, to enhance your server experience, Huawei would like to invite you to participate in the User Experience Improvement Program. Your participation is entirely voluntary. For more information, please touch here. So you can touch there for more information. Here you can say join, or you can say later. Share analytics, help improve Huawei interfaces, SDKs, and APIs used by other apps by allowing statistical analysis of using data from these interfaces. You can withdraw your consent at any time in settings. You can say enable, or you're gonna say later. Now we have location services, enables apps and services to access the location of your device, so it can provide you with location-based services. So you can say enable, or you say later. Now we come to keep your software up to date. It's a lot of information here. Enable overnight updates to enjoy the latest features, enhance security and service improvements. When enabled, updates will be installed automatically between 2 and 4 a.m. while your device isn't in use. You'll be notified before an update is installed. If you don't want overnight updates, you can update manually instead. To disable overnight updates later, go to Settings, System and Updates, Software Updates, select this device and then disable this feature. So you can say to update manually, or say enable and continue. Now we come to data import, move data from another device, restore from Huawei Cloud Backup, or set up as a new device. We don't have any old device, and sometimes it's nice to just, well, start fresh again. So we say set up as new device. And then we have new navigation gestures. Get around your device faster with navigation gestures. Simply swipe to go back, return home, or view recent task. Give them a try. So you can say try gestures, swipe inwards, nice. Okay, then up to our home screen and to our recent tasks. All right. We have the gestures here. We can say change to the 3-key navigation. So you can choose whatever you like best here and then click on next. And then important, this product is a foldable phone with a flexible screen. Please take note of the following. Do not apply pressure to the interior screen with pointed or sharp objects such as keys. Make sure there are no objects on the screen before folding the phone. Your phone's interior screen comes with a specially designed screen protector pre-attached. To avoid damaging the screen and affecting your warranty, please do not remove this protector or apply another one yourself. If you require a replacement, contact the customer service hotline or visit a Huawei service center. Avoid exposing your phone to liquids, sand, or other foreign objects that could damage the internal components. And it is normal for some creasing to occur on the interior screen and for the screen to make a sound when being folded and unfolded. So some really important things here. If you read through it, say finish. And now we are on our home screen. So this is what it looks like when the phone is folded. And then we're gonna open it again. This is what it looks like. Pretty fancy, honestly. We have some pre-installed apps here, and now we're gonna go ahead and insert a SIM card and, well, set it up a bit further. So that's the setup of the Huawei Mate X3. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.